How to create gradient text in Photoshop. Let's get into it. Create your text layer and then double click the text layer. Select Gradient Overlay. And within here, we can click into Gradient and either choose from a preset or create your own gradient here. For this example, I'm going to choose a preset. I'm going to choose an orange preset. And as we can see, that's added there. If you want to customize the gradient, you can move these boxes around to personalize it however you want to. To change the color, just click into this color box here, personalize it however you want to if you need to do that. Once you're finished, you can choose OK, and then you can also customize some other settings for the gradient here. For example, you can change the opacity if you want to do that. You can also change the style if you want it to have a different look. There's a bunch of other different options you can play around with too. When you're finished, just click OK, and that's all there is to it.